Oh, it's not full screen. Let me full screen.
You're hiccuping like a son of a...
Yes. Oh my god! Let me full screen real quick and fix. Oh my! Dude, I'm gonna kill myself. What the hell is this shit? Okay, I think it's working. Oh my god.
Hope you like your gobbler gums.
I suppose I do.
I don't want to do this anymore. Stir lamb beans!
Stir them beans!
I don't want to do this anymore.
Stir them beans! What the hell is this shit?
I don't know.
Har, 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 har.
Is that ninja in the bottom left?
No, that is definitely not ninja.
Are you sure?
I am fairly
You
certain.
You got Mordecai. Oh,
I got freaking Freddy Fazbear.
Freddy Fivehead.
Oh my god. Oh, you're Tank Dempsey. It is highly suggested to turn on subtitles. We can't even get into the Chili's without 2,000 points.
Yeah, this is.
Oh my god.
I'm pretty close to. Hey, you good in there, gang? Hey, you good, bro?
Dog, he is lit. He has a beer in his hand. He's awesome, dude. He's feeling great.
And heck yeah.
He died doing what he loved, obviously.
You want to just let me collect the points? Huh?
Okay.
I'm popping heads. Shut up, Davis.
Dude, I'm gonna piss all over this AI, dude. He's gonna feel the wrath of 20 gallons of water.
You don't drink water.
Yeah, I will if it's the AI. One more fucking time, I swear to God. I'm gonna lose it, Parker. Parker!
Oh, voice crack.
Shut up. I'm still going through puberty. I'm only 15. Shut your dog head out, man.
I'm about to go down. Shoot. I got insta. Hold on, I hit a random button. I hit a bad button. Look at that picture.
What the fuck? What the hell is that?
I think that's phase rug or something.
Why is that insta-kill, bruh?
Why the freak? No, I need a new gun, Loki.
VMP costs 1,300. How's that?
Press F to die, will kill you, lol. I bought the arts.
Even better than the chalk drawing.
We are Chili's employees trying to keep out all the customers.
Trying to keep out all the meth heads.
Max ammo, max ammo.
You scratched me.
Average Chili's in Louisiana right here.
Average Chili's in a Montana.
Dude, we were killing the entire population of Montana.
There's only like 15 people. Alright.
Out of water, people. This map is so random. Oh.
Random! I think I'm dying. I think I'm actually like dying. Hey, watch out behind you. I haven't needed to buy a single thing. What?
It's literally Among Us.
What's that supposed to mean?
The death machine is Among Us. I don't like it. go by Jug.
At least you saved me the bullets.
I've been
So we
running
gotta use
pistol
this-
for like forever.
Juggernaut! Yeah. Hey, pack a punch.
That is fucking.
What?
Come over here.
Ew, Aspen Hotel.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Look at this freaking Dasani dish soap, bruh. Where's the box?
I don't know. I love this though. Frick you, McDonald's.
Welcome to Chili's. I want McDonald's, bruh.
About it.
I am. I'm fucking screaming about it, dude.
It's the box, anyways. I think we just gotta. I think we gotta unlock the area for the box. $3,000 for a Bowie knife is crazy.
That's how much it
Is it out
is
back?
in general.
Should we do the main objective?
I mean, I have no ammo, so.
Nice. I love that.
Your screams bring me pleasure.
Just buy the RK5 like I did.
Yeah, that's. I just bought the VMP, Loki. Okay.
Mowing them down at Chili's.
Real. Dude, I'm gonna actually, like, explode.
Literally.
It's
average
to the
Chili's
left.
in-
It's to the left.
The main objective, yeah. I
The
know.
box. That's right.
Oh,
Box is to the left. My way.
uh-oh. Ew.
Oh, you don't know hellhounds look like that?
They look awful.
Yeah?
Oh, I don't one-shot them. That's not fun.
No bark no more.
This next one should be the last. Reload, reload.
Reload.
Let me. Okay, thanks, pal.
I thought you reloaded.
No, I was telling you to. Over here. Speed cola looks funny.
Oh, what the?
What's it called? I can't remember what it's called.
Path of Sorrows?
Yeah, that's what it's called. It's a really good melee weapon. What the
Should I keep it then?
I mean, if you want to.
Oh, and it got rid of my,
Oh, I didn't mean to get these.
what'd you get?
Shadow Claw.
Likes me.
These things suck.
Rat-tat-tat.
Is the sword good, Pack-a-Punched?
I don't think it has a pack-a-punch.
Oh,
How long do we have to stay here for? Oh, I have to kill people around it.
soul box.
Yeah.
I have sword. Maybe I should get speed cola to cut faster. Or would that even work?
Speed
Or
cola
would
makes you
stamina-
reload quicker. And stamina up makes you run faster.
I wonder which one it would be then that's better for me.
Oh, that hurts my ears. Oh my god. Shut up!
Average day in a Chili's though.
Honestly, just normal.
Do you think it's 4 perks or is it
It's definitely 4. I would assume it's 4.
Nice to see a little gun with so much.
Rickon? going now?
I don't know. You know, it honestly probably told us. We just didn't listen. Is that a GMC?
I'm mowing them down in the war. I'm mowing them down in the wheat fields. Welcome to the rice fields, mother ducker.
Okay, pal.
Like Nom all over again. Oh, that's a max ammo clear down there.
Wamst.
Clear down by the entrance.
I'm getting it.
I'll just buy this. Oh, it's gonna run out. I got it.
I think it automatically reloads your guns for you in this map.
Playing tag, worm bait.
Hello? What do I want to buy now?
Once again.
Are we so for real, Blake?
What's up?
There's a free ray gun right here.
Oh. Totally. Go ahead, grab it.
I already did grab it.
I see. Oh my god.
Among Us?
Oh my god. Oh my god. No my
Maybe you need jugs.
god.
Quicker next time.
Shut your punk ass up.
Here's the deal. If you can find my drip, I'll let you through.
It's electric cherry.
Is it good?
Whenever you reload it, it shocks the zombies around you.
Maybe that is pretty good.
It's okay. It's nice when there isn't any other perks.
What's the one? Is it Mule Kick that gives you 3 guns?
Yes, but it costs like 5,000.
Fool would dare to touch
Is
me.
it worth it though?
Not really, because you lose your gun if you go down.
No. What's the one? What are good perks? I should have
Jugs, stamina up is pretty good. Speed cola.
I just rock those ones then.
Yeah,
Reload.
You're merely
that's fine.
inconvenient.
You can just grab it. It auto reloads for you.
I'm liking how much max ammo there are. Oh, another one. I'm about to go down.
Cool.
I'm.
Okay, protect me.
We don't gotta tell the others about this, right?
Why can't I slash him?
Ah.
My jug again.
Keep that
One
one.
widow's wine. I need to find a widow's wine.
You. You.
What?
A toast. A toast to success.
Whoa, you found my drip? Sweet.
I'm moving so much faster now. I just bought
The door actually
whatever
opens from
speed
the other
stamina.
side.
I'm gonna buy speed cola now.
Cover yourself in oil and fly through the maintenance room skylight. But you will need the manager's oil
3
safe.
perks already.
Here. The code is 06.
I think I do swing faster. Wait, what was the code? 664?
06. I don't know what the last one was.
If only I had known
It was
how
064.
big they would grow.
I don't know how to open it up though.
Be gone, foul canine.
I'm about to go down. Holy piss nugget.
Today you go hungry.
This block does absolutely nothing.
Last bucket.
Got it.
What is that?
It's
you get?
oil.
So we can
I'm loaded.
Yeah,
F for part. I got a part.
that's a zombie shield. What the hell? Oh my God, Robert Downey Jr. What the hell is happening? What is that? Germa! Germa! Parker, why are we back in school? 3, 4, 2, 1.
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't know. I'm concerned.
I'll knock on these doors. You shouldn't be here.
Whoa.
Oh. Who the freak is that guy?
I don't know. Okay, we're safe.
Like I said, average Chili's, bro.
Average day in Chili's, dude.
Last time I went to Chili's, this is what happened to me.
I'm gonna hit the box real quick.
When do we get pack? I need to get to pack.
I don't know. Panzer.
I can't unlock that.
Fight your own doom.
Watch out. Yeah, Panzer Shrek.
I am not buying it, by the way.
I'm dead.
Many things are gone.
Surprised.
Too many.
I'm getting jumped. I'm getting jumped.
Good, he's dead.
Destroying that Panzer.
Good.
Double point.
Silence their screams. Double points.
What the?
I feel
There's the thing over there.
tingly.
Oh, yeah, it's the other parking lot. I'll meet you there. I bet it's a soul box.
Fire sale.
Fire sale.
Oh, I gotta.
Maybe I want to hit the box now. Because this sword's kind of not doing good no more, but I want to see if I can
I'm a
pack
doctor
it.
first and foremost. The soldiery bit is really just a sideline for me. They will come
Gorgon
for me.
sucked. Let me hit it one more time.
They will find
Yes.
only their
Germa.
own
Germa.
destruction.
Germa.
Their
I'll take the
Flip.
dingo. I like the
Slime.
dingo.
death. This I know for certain.
Ding.
Oh, okay.
Um.
Well, I think we're
God?
Going, you know.
Oh no, this is. No. What is this place? I know this place. I swear. It looks like classified.
We gotta fill up the soul box. Oh,
What did you do?
I pressed F.
Ah,
July 4th, 1921. Heck yeah. What's up, twin?
You're making me mad.
I don't remember this. I don't remember this happening during July 4th.
It's sail short.
You were not alive.
Nuh-uh. It's the Gorgon. That is the Gorgon.
What are we doing?
I don't know. I think just kill things for right now. Oh, wait, no, there's a thing over here.
There is? Oh, okay. Is it a soul box though?
No.
What is that? Mule kit.
I found your widows.
I'm down. Are you serious, dude? How did my sword? I was on him, bro. Oh god. So I lost like all my perks, right?
Yep.
I don't. That sword kind of sucks, low-key. It one-shots them, but like against groups, it's so bad.
Yeah, because you don't swing quick
And
enough.
Fall,
I don't know how to
rise,
swing.
repeat.
Like there's no sweeping attack. Where's Widow's Wine? Right there. I don't even have Jug anymore. Uh-oh.
It's fine. I think we're going to go back to the one place. Because we got the employee key card. Not unlocks thing. So what are you? Aren't you the MP3? Ooh, I love this gun.
My hands. Especially
What?
when I'm holding a weapon.
How do I get back up there? Elevator, come with me. Oh my god. Hola, I am Rick Toffin. Das Vidania!
Sword. I love sword.
Come here. Or not.
I gotta get Jug first.
Okay.
I know, my
Thank you, little
Dusha.
one.
You barely feature.
Oh man, this is just like a Chili's.
Really is.
The journey ahead will be long and hard.
What is this?
We must arm ourselves accordingly.
Okay, watch the video, watch the video, watch the video.
Making the Travis Scott burger. Shut up. Okay.
Today's video is sponsored Raid Shadow Legend!
Buy a Rage wallet too while you're at it.
And download NordVPN as well. You can
He's
lobo
really
my
gonna make
nuts
us
in your
watch
mouth.
this.
Dude, I looked at the thing over.
How'd you find them? Oh, they're in the freezer.
Yeah. Come here.
Oh.
I need you. Oh,
Okay,
crap
well,
zombies.
It goes what?
Top bun.
I got
What?
this.
This one says
This is my second
cheeseburger
round.
bottom bun.
Yeah, that's what it says for everything. Oh, that was not. Was that not the death machine?
What?
I thought I just got the death machine. Oh, it's Widow's one. It's okay.
You kind of stink worse after you've been cooked.
They are not one shot by a ray gun anymore.
No.
Here we go again.
6 ingredient not detected.
Wow.
Parker. What's the order?
It goes cheese, burger.
There's no cheese
There's
around
cheese.
here.
Yeah, there is cheese,
Burger.
burger,
Bottom bun. Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Top bun.
cheese. Lettuce.
Number 15.
Lettuce.
Oh, praise be.
Oh,
What's
yeah,
Rick Toffin? I don't know, man. Okay,
burger.
over here, over here, over here. You do it, because you have more.
You know, I've never actually been to the hotel. What you
Parry the
think?
burger.
Considering I've heard a lot of
What do you think
spooky
hotels
things
are for?
about ghosts.
And don't.
He sounds like Jeffy.
Here. Oh. Cutscene.
Cheers promotional video.
Dude is gone. Dude is out of it.
Chili's promotional video.
Crazy. Oh.
No. We're supposed to knock.
No, it doesn't say anything. It just says find the missing ingredient.
It's gonna be in the trash can. No, maybe not. Is it in the trash bag?
I checked it. There wasn't anything to
Oh, the
it.
door's
Over here, over
open.
here, over here. Oh. What? But many side EEs are ready to go. No, but
free Deadshot daiquiri, I think. Yep.
Crazy.
There's a door over here I can buy. Should I buy it? Sure. It's probably not a good place to be with the zombie, though. Are you above me?
Perchance.
Yeah, you're up there.
I linked the thing down there.
Hold on, I opened up the bathroom. I gotta go.
Attention on chili peppers. We've run out of Travis
I
Scott
can't not.
burgers.
Oh, what?
The freaking thing up here. Attention. Chili peppers. We've officially ran out of Travis Scott burgers.
No.
You missed it. Why is there just a Cthulhu head, bruh?
Oh my goodness. 2,800 V-Buck Fortnite card.
What?
What,
Travis,
dude?
man.
What am I doing?
Can you actually tell me?
Port teleporter.
That's what I
Can I not double pack it? I can't
figured.
double pack it.
The ray gun? Hell no.
When do I get a leave?
When it tells you to. I don't know. I hate you.
Me?
Yes, you.
Why?
You know what you did.
Oh, Among Us? Are you mad because the Among Us?
Not even that. The teleporter was cooling down, so I couldn't go up there.
What'd I press?
What the hell is happening? I'm so confused.
I'm watching a video. That was awesome. What are you claiming? Are you claiming like the Among Us thingy?
Yeah!
How are you just pressing F on them?
I'm just shooting them.
Oh, I have to shoot them. Oh. What the?
How many more are left? What are you doing?
I don't know. I just pressed something.
Why would you do that?
Don't know. Felt like it.
God, you're making me relink the fucking pad
Bye,
again, you
Steve.
V-Bucks.
Oh, you were in that room?
I am indeed.
Oh, I have the Zomboy on me.
Yeah?
He's not very presidential though.
I like how it showed up with Trumu. That's awesome.
A vessel for Maxis.
You know, that's when I said, oh, 2,900, 490.
Cannot allow my fevered brain to distract me from my mission. I must stay focused.
Look, I got this gun. Is it good or not?
I don't remember.
It does that.
Oh,
I hit it.
hey.
Yep. Will you shut up and calm down? Maybe I'll buy stamina up so I can run faster and longer. Finding them.
I'm just looking around. I'm gonna piss on you, dude. It's gonna be all over.
Talking about
I hate you.
Attention all chili peppers. New Bowsette figurines available.
Where's the gift shop? Where's the gift shop? Where's the gift shop? Where's the gift shop, Parker? Tell me where the gift shop is. Where's the gift shop? I need that Bowsette figurine, dude. Where's the gift shop? Where's the gift shop? Tell me where the gift shop is. Tell me!
There's
Oh. I think so. You gotta let me in. Oh, it's cooling down. Dang it.
No, I can't.
Let me check this outer area first for the rest of the Among Us. I don't think it's out here. So,
I think it's downstairs.
well,
I think it's in the depths of hell at
I need that
Chili's.
Bowsette. I need that Bowsette figurine so bad.
Should I buy Quick Revive? No.
Why? It's a waste of perk. Parker, it's ready.
Wah, 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 wah.
I'm in it. I can get the Bowsette figurine, Parker. I can get the Bowsette figurine. Yes.
No.
Why does it sound like he's a freaking duck?
What? Oh, the zombie?
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, free perk.
Free dead shot.
Oh,
Give
you.
me the s-
Come look at this funny picture I found.
Where?
I'll show you in a second. Did I widows? I thought I just widow wined him. I was like, oh. It's underneath the table.
Where?
Right here.
I break rules all the time.
We need to shoot those.
No touching one still
There's another
stands,
Easter egg for
however.
it.
What do we need to shoot?
The little picture
Pictures?
frame things that you saw. There's like multiple versions of it, so.
Oh, he is bent over, dude.
That one zombie? Yeah. Yeah. It happens. I'm an avid enjoyer of chilies.
Dude, this is
I
like
get-
reminds me of home. There is just a random Cthulhu head. I kind of forgot.
I told you.
I saw that in there. Why are the sinks are kind of funky looking? Oh, there we go.
What did a button do?
I accidentally shot him. He scared me.
It's okay. I know what I did.
Done a Scott burger. Wait, where are you? We need to go to maintenance room.
Hi.
What is that? Well, eating his Big Mac in $2.99
We run out of Travis Scott burgers.
at a McDonald's. Oh. At a.
Yeah.
But where does Eastern Pennsylvania come in? Ladies Big Mac at a McDonald's in 1999. William Smith.
What?
Discovered a. Yeah.
Where is this thing? I don't want to run around the entire store trying to shoot it.
Your hand.
I'm gonna honestly search up a thing just to end my suffering.
Go for it, dude.
I mean, or you could just like nod and call it good.
No, we is.
The hell?
Why would you want to skip this?
Oh my head. Oh my head.
Average chilies in the state of New Hampshire. Holy crap.
We've come too far to stop now.
What? Why?
I didn't think it'd actually do it.
That was
Just lost
just a
all your
slight
perks,
hiccup.
gang.
Nothing to
I only had like 2 that
Hey.
were good.
Point farm. I can do a point farm on you when you keep knocking yourself.
What?
Much like
I
the
get
box,
10
machines appear
points
to
every time I
follow us
revive you.
wherever we
Or
go.
was it 100?
You got a bone to pick or something?
There's a question mark again.
Where? Is it the cat?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to shoot it. I don't know where it's.
That's a fun one. I'm coming. Got it.
I break rules all the time. The no touching one still stands, however.
Did it move?
I hit it. I got it. I think. What the?
God? God, is that you?
Press F to have IHOP delivered.
I'm scared. Parker, I'm scared. Why'd you order IHOP? We're
I
boned.
love IHOP.
We're boned. It's gonna kill us all, Parker. Could be. Principal Mike Tyson, have a great day on accident.
Where? Is it out there?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's
Dude, this is the most
oh my God.
unfunny video. Like, we've just been playing COD Zombies.
I don't care. There's a phone booth. Ow.
Dog, I'm dead as hell. Basically how they found out the Revelations Easter egg.
By knifing stuff.
Dude, no, the Revelations Easter egg is the most convoluted piece of crap thing ever, dude. You have to
Really?
do like a million steps in order to do it. It's crazy for them. Tally marks. Why is there Among Us on the wall?
What?
Oh, you found all me.
Where was he?
I don't know.
But I don't
Oh.
think anything could prepare you for this surprise.
Go to Among Us musical. Uh-oh.
I think it's back upstairs where the one guy was.
Oh, it is.
I-
It is.
Should I be scared?
Yeah, there's a zombie right out the door.
Get your damn mitts off me!
Oh, what? I've been flashbanged. I'm scared. What?
Oh. It's not. My God.
Parker.
You will pay the price for your
I hate my life.
Did you not run through that door?
I got stuck in a corner. Apparently I couldn't kill the thing.
You want to
I missed it. I got stuck in the corner and he pinned me.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah, zombie spawns right there.
Right as I pressed F2, that's a little. Uh-oh. Answer.
Yeah. There's 3 of them.
Bring him. Coming out.
I might be dead.
I also might be dead in a second.
Dude, these fucking Panzer Shreks are crazy.